What are your thoughts on Showstopper series?
So when I heard about the only gamer girl tourney, I was
Yeah.
like, yes, I want to be a part of it. There are not many people who are doing this for gamer girls.
It was really good, and thanks for organizing something for
Yes.
yeah, for girls.
We got a platform to prove us actually.
South Asian girl gamers usually don't get to like represent themselves as female gamers, so I'll know that they're really amazing players in Asia too.
I think it's a great opportunity for all the girls out there who play like games and stuff. There are like a lot of girls who started playing PC games,
Right.
so I think it's just a very good opportunity for them to come out.
This AORUS thing is helping a lot of women getting recognized.
They're just giving us a platform to show our skills.
It's promoting women's gaming.
I think we didn't have much of an exposure before this platform, I think.
I think it's amazing.
Yeah, I think it's amazing.
It was good that they even let like single players join.
I guess it is a very good initiative. There are so many girls who want to play or they are dedicated to gaming but they can't.
I have made so many new friends through Valorant. I am going crazy.
It was really nice. Actually, it gave the first opportunity for Asian females. Really nice to play against Bangladesh and Sri Lanka players.
Great initiative. It's a very good initiative. Yep.
Yeah.
We do have a platform, but we are just taken very lightly. Like, she's a girl.
Yeah.
They just want to see her. Like, they don't want to see the game.
I think it's going to be very interesting seeing hidden talents come out. Including Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, we're going to see some real good talent come out. Maybe in future, these girls teams, they come out and they play major tournaments against the male teams.